In this video, I'm discussing how you can scale your recruiting agency to $100,000 as a beginner. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Natasha, the business recruiter. Welcome back to my channel. Once you have all of your processes and systems in place and you feel that the operations of your recruiting agency is running smoothly, the next thing that's going to be on your mind is scaling. And for most people, the goal is usually aligned to scaling to six figures, and it's usually viewed as an overwhelming goal. However, as a beginner, being able to hit $100,000 doesn't necessarily have to be a hard process. The key to being able to hit six figures is to be able to break your big goal of $100,000 into smaller, more achievable goals. So let's walk through an example. So as stated, your goal is to hit $100,000 as a recruiting agency owner. Well, $100,000 is roughly $8,333 per month. Now your next step is to think about how many placements you have to make in order to hit that $8,333 figure. Let's be conservative and let's say that you're working with a client to fill a $30,000 role and your placement fee is 15%. After you have successfully filled that role, you will receive a check for $4,500. And if you make another placement under those same terms, so $30,000 salary and 15% placement fee, then that's another $4,500 for you. And in total, you've now brought in $9,000. This means that you only need to make two placements at $30,000 with a 15% placement fee in order to hit your goal of $8,333 per month. And if you repeat that strategy for roughly 12 months, you will bring in $108,000, which actually exceeds your goal of $100,000. Now, if you're still with me and loving the content, then go down below and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell so that you can get notified of all of my new videos that drop each week. So remember, the biggest takeaway should be that your big goals are obtainable. Hitting $100,000 as a new recruiting agency owner is possible in the first year. Break those bigger goals into smaller, more achievable goals and see how fast you're able to thrive. And don't forget, if you're just starting out and looking for help or resources, then I definitely have you covered. My contract template is a great tool in order to get you started. Look below in the description box for the link to download this free resource. And if you're interested in learning more about recruiting, then be sure to join my Facebook group. I'll also leave that link down below in the description box. We are in there talking all things recruiting. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.